How are you all, dear students? I hope you all are fit and fine. So today is Monday and we are going to start fisheries class. Dear students, video lecture of all 5 unit of paper first I have already given to you. Look those videos. Okay, now I am going to start unit first of paper second, and that is the principle of fish nutrition and growth. In this unit, content is introduction of nutrition and growth. Second is nutrient or the nutritions. Then the third point is food of fish. Now I will start the introduction of fish nutrients and the growth. The manufactured food can be broadly classified as dried, freeze-dried or frozen-dried. The dried food such as flakes, petals, sticks, tablets are widely available and are convenient to use. Many types of dried foods, especially flax foods, feature specially grow, then color and vegetables diet. Most dried foods have limits besides the life. Generally they should be used within a few months of purchase, although they can be still be used after this period. The vitamin level decrease with time. Okay, the next point is nutrients like protein, lipid, carbohydrate, vitamins, mineral are important nutrients required for better growth and health of fishes. You see in this video the nutrients, protein. We will start the first first nutrients, that is the protein. These are the complex organic compound composed of a number of amino acids linked together through the peptide bond. Protein composed of amino acids. The growth of fish in terms of muscles formation depend on the protein intake. The protein required for optimum growth in between 30 to 45% in carp. Fry of carp need feed of the 50% of protein. Then fish meal, soya meal. Okay. The next is lipid. Before starting lipid, additionally the building block of proteins such as lysine, methionine are commonly available to supplement the diet. The next point is lipid. Fat and oil are highly energy yielding substance. Fish, then fish seeds, then source of energy and essential fatty acid, then maintain the cell fluidity. The four portable fish culture should be 4 to 18% of fat oil from the marine fish such as the sardine, vegetable oil and the sunflower and lysine common the source of lipid fish seeds or the fish feeds. The next point is carbohydrate. The carbohydrate, 10 to 15% of carbohydrate in fish feed enhance the growth of fish through their protein sharing action. Cook carbohydrate from the flour of corn, wheat and other breakfast of cereals. Then the relatively inexpensive source of energy may be protein from begin to use of the energy source. This is all about the carbohydrate. The next point is vitamins and the minerals. The variety and amount of vitamins these are the so complex, usually prepared synthetically and available commonly balanced to premature mixture known as vitamins or the mineral premix. This added to diet in the genius amount of the ensure and level of the vitamin and mineral are supply. This is about the nutrition. Okay, the next point is food of fish. Food of fish are two types, live food and the dried food. The live food is include the diet of aquarium fish, keep them the consistently good health. Then these are the easy obtain many areas. These are the appreciate most of aquarium fish. The common plankton, mosquito larvae, bloodworm, tubiflex, earthworm. Those are the common live foods. Okay, first one is the plankton, are the microscopic free floating organism of plant and animal origin. They form the choice of food many aquarium fishes. Plankton food include the algae, daphnia, cyclops. The daphnia is different species are readily available in most freshwater pond and lake. The daphnia are fish. They prey the aquarium because they hoping a motion of attract to the aquarium fishes. They prey upon them. It's a small daphnia is small size and good live food of food for the fry and large or the big size of fishes. This is about the daphnia. Then next one is the cyclops. These are the small seapods found the along with daphnia. These are grayish green color and smaller than the daphnia. This is about the cyclops. Then the mosquito larvae, the valuable food of the aquarium. They are the abundance. These found in the swamps, pools. These larvae stage mosquito genus Anopheles. Okay, the mosquito eggs, larvae, pupae form the excellent aquarium fishes, but cannot be fed in young fishes because larvae have a brings a catch to the prey. Okay, isn't it, dear students? Then the bloodworm, tuberflix, earthworm. This also the live food. This is also about the live food of fishes. Then the next one is a dried food. The dried food include all the prepare artificial food are the dried states where they feed to the fishes. The possible ingredient dried foods are the carrot, bean, corn meat, breadcrumbs, puppy biscuits, spinach, ant egg, cereals, powder shrimps, eggs, rice bran, oil cake and rice. This the main three type. The first is a rice bran. Rice bran is truly these all are the dried feeds. The dried shrimps or the ground dogs biscuits. It few pitches of salt. Then the mixture of boiling of water and added the bean raw of egg. The mash of mixture truly the spread of mixture sheet on the dry and keep. You see in this video how to feed the fishes. Okay, this is the dried fish. The dried food swell into the body fishes and many cause indigestion. This is the disadvantage of dried food. Then the rice bran. Rice bran is truly hook of brain and use a small fishes. Is high convention rate the growth of maximum fish of food. So the food feed aquarium fishes. Then oil cake. The oil cake, ground oil cake, mustard oil cake, coconut oil cake. These oil cake are ground or sealed. The fine practicals are uses the food of baby fish. Then the shrimps. You know about the shrimps for the excellent brine shrimps. The larvae of the artemias is sun dried and then powder. The important and the advantages are different in the dried food in different food, but some common advantages of the dried food is readily available. This food is readily available in high concentration. Its quantity lasts for the long time. Then the store and the considerable time without deteriorations. These are the advantages. And then the disadvantages, like it swell inside the I already taught you, the swell inside the body causing indigestion. This is the main disadvantage of dried food. Then affect the root of quantity plant, become the weak, eventually diet. then a small foul smell, unhealthy conditions, start the bottom using growth, harmful bacteria and fungi. This is the all are the advantages and disadvantages of dried food. This is all about the disadvantages and the advantages. Okay, this is here our finish our first unit of paper second.